Now let's talk about cursors in CSS. Basically, cursor is nothing but a mouse pointer which you move while scrolling to a particular web page. By default, you get a mouse pointer which is of arrow shape and you move it along. But as per the different situation, you may come across a need like you want to change the mouse pointer as well. Maybe sometime when it's loading, you want the circular rotational mouse pointer. Sometime you are maybe looking for a finger pointer. So we are going to discuss about the different mouse pointers which are available here, and we can use that in the CSS. So let's start the practical now.
So now let's take a very simple example of the cursors where in a single document itself I have put all the possible values of my mouse cursor. So first one is the auto, means the default one, like your mouse pointer. Now after that you have the plus symbol mouse pointer, that is the crosshair, the default one, pointer. If you want to move the window, that is the different icon, different cursor at that particular time. E-resize, and E-resize means east side, northeast, northwest, depends on the side. If you are resizing a window from any of the side, so that means this is going to be the resize cursor. After that, the text, the cursor which you are seeing right now is the text. Weight, which will keep on rotating, depends on the different browser. And help, where it will carry a question mark with itself. So let's come to the browser and refresh. And here, as soon as I will put the mouse, this is the help, weight, text, resize. You can see it is getting changed every time. All right. So these are the different ways of passing the cursor. Move, pointer, that is the pointed finger which we use generally for hyperlink. The default one, the crosshair, and the auto. All right. So these are the different options which you can see while working with cursor, and using any particular option you can put it anytime on your DOM as per the requirement.